for her whole life to lie to the world and have a, what a challenge. Why didn't she take it?
Because she's a meatball. You can't put her in front of the jury to speak. She'll just blow the whole thing.
Don't eat that ball, baby.
You can't put it in your mouth.
Don't eat that ball. That's gross. But you can go and
Why do you say that she's a good daughter? And she
you can go chase it.
She kept saying it before the trial. Only this is
Hey.
Yay! Don't eat that ball. The yucky ball.
I think when Casey crossed the line with
No, we can't have that.
and he gradually got to the point where he's like, codependent no more. It's her or me. And
Ooh,
What's so bizarre is George is sitting next to Cindy, while his alleged mistress is calling him a liar. Then Lee and Cindy is...
Where you going, Pookie? Hey!
Lee gets up and calls her a liar.
Right into the dog.
What is going on with this? Well, the family is extremely dysfunctional, to say the least.
Did he just do that on his own?
Yeah.
We have seen the defense go up and down, but consistently...
No stairs.
This is the image that you have.
No stairs. Go that way. Let's see if you can maneuver this. Go. No, no stairs. No stairs. Oh, she's gonna get you.